Hi. Good evening, guys. This is a series. We'll be continuing that mystery lessons. We'll be doing it again. That is practice questions of this general aptitude, quantitative aptitude part we were discussing, and we'll be continuing that. All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Everybody, get ready to crack. Right, immediately after waking up in the morning, you have to say yourself in the mirror that, "Arey bhaiya, let's crack it." Right, then automatically your day will be good. Now, whenever you are subscribing to the pleasant iconic courses, use the referral code RP Civil, all of you. Okay, right. So this is my profile. You can follow me, and in the description of this video you can find my profile link, all of you. Use the referral code RP Civil for any subscription, right? Whatever the subscription you are taking, use the referral code RP Civil. And these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, and along with that strength of materials is also there. And if you just observe, up to this is September 16th 11:59 p.m. you'll be having this offer. What is it offer? You can say 20% off on any subscription if you are taking, right? Either it is a plus subscription or it is an iconic subscription, right? When you are using the referral code RP Civil, right? Use the referral code RP Civil and subscribe, right? So this is Unacademy Lite. What is that Lite subscription? You can say it is a distance learning program. You can say for this distance learning program Lite subscription also, along with that pleasant iconic, you will be having 20% discount offer, unlock 20 offer until the end of this is September 16th, right? So be hurry up, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. Everyone, inform to your friends also. And here on 18th September, that is Sunday at 11 a.m. you'll be having this Unacademy versus GATE Academy combat, right? So you can be the top 50% lucky participant. You'll be getting which one? This MacBook Air, iPad, Samsung Mobile, Amazon vouchers, and you can get up to which one? This 100% scholarship in the Plus subscription also. So don't miss this, all of you. Right, utilize this opportunity and crack this and get the 100% scholarship opportunity, right? Don't miss this, right? Whenever you are enrolling for this, use the referral code, enrollment code RP Civil, all of you. And some people may not be able to pay the entire fee at a time. For those, this 0% EMI option is available. 0% interest EMI, no cost EMI option is available. You can pay in parts. You can pay the entire fee in parts, you can say. And just see now, the digital learning program of this Unacademy Lite subscription, these are all the features you'll be having for that, all of you, right? So don't miss this, everyone. So what is that referral code you have to use whenever you are subscribing for this? RP Civil is a referral code you have to use, all of you, right? RP Civil is a referral code you have to use, all of you. And now 20, right? What is it? How much discount you'll be getting? That 20% discount you'll be getting now at present. Okay, so don't miss this option, everyone. And these are the new batches started in this week, latest batches for GATE 2023 Ummeed batch started on September 1st, and use the referral code, which one? This RP Civil here. And what else is started? This vision batch for this GATE and ESE 2024 started, right? What is the referral code you have to use, all of you? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, everyone, right? And iconic students will be having this exclusive test series, right? Iconic students will have this exclusive test series, and enroll for them and subscribe to the iconic courses and attend this test series and get these benefits, all of you. Okay, and less than 6 months time is available for GATE, so don't miss this opportunity. Start your preparation and subscribe to the plus and iconic courses, all of you, right? So subscription link you can find in the description, everyone. So whenever you are taking this iconic subscription, this 1:1 live interaction sessions are there. These are all the benefits of this 1:1 live interaction sessions. Every month you will be having the 2 sessions, if you just observe, right? And now these are all the differences between this plus and iconic subscription, all of you. These are all the difference between this plus and iconic subscription features. Whichever is suitable for you, try to select it, everyone. Okay, now so coming to this complete course on this general aptitude is going on now up to 20th September. It will go 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and the strength of materials, it is upcoming course plus course starting on 22nd September, everyone. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. classes will be there, and the complete course on this general aptitude part-2 will be there, and it was started already on 1st September. It will go up to this 29th September, right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone, right? And these are all the free courses, right? At present, this is a mini course on this engineering drawing which is going on. These are all the series we have passed for this engineering drawing, and 26th August onwards it's going on. So the class timing will be for this, right? What is the class timing you are having? If you just observe at present, 9:35 p.m. to this 10:35 p.m. at present. This is a class timing. It is ongoing. So don't miss this opportunity, all of you. Many state PSCs and draftsman exam, many examinations, engineering services examination. For all these examinations, this engineering drawing will be useful, right? So don't miss this. Those who are preparing for this PSCs and all these things, you can find my profile in the description. And in my profile you can find out these classes links, right? Mini course on engineering drawing, with this name only you can find, right? So in this lecture 1, how many chapter 1 corresponding to this chapter 1, how many questions are done? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions were done, and here we'll be doing some other questions, right? Today's class will be on lecture 2, practice questions, general aptitude. Which topic it will be? Number system, right? Not member system, right? Number systems you can say, right? And coming to this is chapter 1 only. Question number 4 gets over now, and this is your question number 5 you can say. So if you look at this solution, how to solve this question number 5. A milkman has 3 different qualities of milk, right? Different qualities of milk he is having, right? Different qualities means one is good, bad, poor, like that, or very good quality. So total 403 gallons of first quality. So what is that fellow you are having? If you just observe, 403 gallons of this first quality you will be having, right? 403 gallons. If you just observe, 403 gallons you will be having the first quality. And for the second quality, if you just observe, 465 gallons of this is second quality, right? 465 gallons is for the second quality, and 496 gallons of this third quality milk is there, right? So for this third quality, we don't know which one is good, which one is bad, but just give the naming as first quality, second quality, and third quality, right? 496 you can say. So 496 gallons if you just observe. How can you write them? If you just say, everyone, if you just try to write what is that, how can you write them? If you just observe, we have to write them, it depending upon which one this question given, right? Find the least possible number of bottles, right? What is that you can say? Least possible number of bottles you are asked to identify. So each bottle must be containing how much? How much quality? How much quantity? How many gallons each bottle must contain, and how many such kind of number of which one? These bottles, right? Number of bottles of equal size bottles, right? Number of bottles of which one? These equal size bottles, in which different milk of different qualities can be filled without mixing, right? You need not mix it, right? Without mixing you have to find out, right? So how can you get this? If you just observe, you can say, if you just observe here, for getting this which one LCM, if you try to find out, right? So this is 403, how can you write this? HCF, if you try to find out highest common factor, HCF if you try to find out here, right? How can you write this? This you can write it as 13 into this 31 you can write it. And 465, how can you write this? That is 15 into this which one? This 31 we can write it. And this is which one? This is 16 into which one? This is 31 we can write it, right? So what is the size you can say now? Equal size is mentioned now. Equal size, right? Equal size means, right, what is the size of this each bottle? We have to select everyone. That the size of this each bottle will be taken as what? That the size of a bottle is nothing but your HCF, right? So you are asked to identify this least number of bottles now. So that bottle size must be highest, okay? Least number of bottles we should have means bottle size must be highest, so highest common factor, right? What is that HCF of this one? If you just observe, HCF will be equal to that 31 you can say, right? 403, 465 and 496, what is that you can say? 31 size, right? Size of this bottle is nothing but your 31 gallons you can say, right? So 31 gallons each bottle. And how many bottles you require? 13 bottles first quality. How many bottles you require for second quality filling? 15 bottles. How many bottles you require for this third quality filling? 16 bottles, right? So to fill first quality, how many bottles are required? To fill first quality, how many bottles are required? 13 bottles, right? 13 bottles with how much capacity you can say? 13 bottles, how much capacity you consider? Total 13 bottles means 13 bottles into that each bottle will be having this 35 gallons capacity now. And second quality, if you just observe, second quality whenever you are filling, right, that is your 15 bottles we have to take. So 15 bottles with what is it, 31, sorry, it is 31 gallons each bottle, not 35, 31 gallons each bottle if you just observe, right, 31 gallons each bottle you can see if you just observe, right. And what is the third quality you can say? To fill this, how many bottles are required? 16 are required now, 16. So if you just observe the 16, right, what is that? 16 bottles with each bottle of 31 gallons, right. Therefore total number of minimum bottles, how much? Without mixing, total minimum number of bottles required, how much? Least this many bottles are required now. How much you can say? That is your 13 bottles for the first quality plus 15 bottles for the second quality plus the 16 bottles for the third quality, right. Total it comes to be 44 bottles you can say, right. We require 44 bottles, each bottle of this 31 gallons, right. So hope the question is answered. What is that? 44 bottles you will be taking it if you just observe, right. So option D will be the correct answer you can say. Now coming to this next question, question number 6 if you are moving into. So what is the question? Find the greatest number less than 10,000 which is divisible by this 48, 60 and 64, right. Divisible by all these means LCM only, no. Highest number less than this and divisible by this means we have to find out that LCM, na. What is the LCM, right. So what is it you can say? LCM you can say if you just observe, right. Greatest number, right, greatest number LCM if you just find out we'll get some idea, right. What is that LCM you can say? 48 is available, 60 is available and 64 is available, right. When we are going for this LCM, 2 24s and this is 2 30s, this is 2 32s and this is which one, at 2 12s and 2 15s and 2 16s. And if you take this 2 again or 4 directly we can take 4 3s, that 15 nothing is there, 15 keep it as it is, and 4 4s are 16. And if you just keep it 3 you can multiply now, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 4 as it is you keep it, right. Then what is that LCM? Highest number is asked means least common multiple you have to select, right. There least number of bottles are asked means HCF you have to use, right. Opposite manner we have to do it absolutely. What is that LCM? LCM is equal to which one? LCM of these numbers, LCM of this 48 is 60 and 64 is equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 1 into that 5 into 4 if you just say, right. How much it comes to be? That 960. But so 10,000 will be divisible by this 9,600, and which is what is that you can say? Find the greatest number lesser than. So whenever this 960 is divisible by them, 9,600 also can be divisible by this now. This is your which one? This is 3 digit, right. But if you are asked to identify, find the greatest number lesser than. Greatest number lesser than 10,000 means it is nearby 10,000 na? So can we say 960 only? No, it is your 3 digit value. And if you just observe 9,600 is the 4 digit value, right. It is a 4 digit value which will be divisible, right. If you just observe 9,600 by this 48, right, 48 into 2 200 it will come now. So obviously 60, that 0 zeros will be there, 64 also it will be divisible. So what is that greatest number? If directly it is given, find one number directly. You can least number if you are asked to identify, you can just directly select 960, 3 digit number. But if here greatest number means 4 digit we have to select now, because 10,000 is 5 digit. So 4 digit when you are selecting, that 9,600 will come into picture. That 9,600 will be divisible you can say if you just observe, right. So this is your second slide, third slide, and nothing is here, right. So hope the question is answered. Greatest number is asked na, so 960 is divisible by this means automatically 9,600 also will be divisible. So that is the greatest number which is lesser than 10,000. That is how we have selected. Now coming to this the question number 7 if you just observe. So what is this question number 7 is regarding? If you just observe, what is the greatest number of this 4 digits, right. What is the greatest number of this 4 digits? So whenever greatest comes into picture means we have to go with LCM. We have to take the help of LCM or not? Obviously, yes, we have to take the help of LCM, right? 4 digits that when it divided by any of this number, right? You can divide by any of this number, 6, 9, 12, 17, leaves a remainder of this one. So whenever it is leaving a remainder of this one, whenever you are dividing with any of this, means all these multiplied together will get, you will get that number as an LCM. If you just observe, what is the LCM? Greatest number of 4 digits when you are asked to identify. So how can you get this LCM if you just observe? 6, 9, 12, 17, right? What is that LCM? You can say 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s, that's 17 as it is, and 2 1s, 3 as it is, 2 2s, and 17 as it is, right? So what is that LCM if you just observe? LCM of this is 6, 9, 12, and this is 17 is equal to, what is it you can say? Is equal to how much? That is 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 17, right? Just multiply all of them, right? What it comes to be if you just observe, 612, right? 612. So multiples of which one? This is 612, we have to consider, right? Multiples of which one? This is 612, we have to consider, right? What is the greatest number? Greatest number of 4 digit, right? Greatest 4 digit number we have to find out now. So if you just consider this multiples, right, divided by any of them, means LCM will be taken as a reference now. Multiples of this is 612 if you take it, equal to how much? 612 into 1 is equal to which one? This is 612, right? Like that. 612 into that 2, you can say, right? Like that we'll be getting so on. And if you just take it, so what is that? 612 into that 3 if you take it, what is that you are getting? 13 if you take it, right? 612 into this 13 if you just check it, 7956 you will be getting, right? So that is your 612 into this 16 if you take it, right? What is it? 9792 will be getting, right? Like that, whenever you are checking it, 9792 we are getting. So 9792, right? So beyond this, is there any 4 digit number possible? If you add also 9700 plus 600, how much it will become? 612, how much it will become? It will be crossing that 4 digit condition, and it will be going into the 5th digit, right? So therefore up to 16th only we have to limit, right? Therefore what is that required number? This is divisible, this is divisible, but this number is required, or this number is not required. It should leave a remainder of this, which one? It is exactly divisible by this all this, any one of them, but it should leave a remainder of which one? This one na. So 9792 plus 1, if you make it 9793, you will be getting, right? It will 9793, it will be giving a remainder of which one? This 1 whenever it is divided by 6 or divided by 9 or divided by 12 or divided by this 17, any one. So 9793 means option B will be the correct option now. Absolutely. Now coming to this, right, this is your question number 8, we can say. So what is it we can make it here if you just observe? Question number 8, find the least multiple of this 11. So least multiple of this 11, which when divided by this 8, 9, 12, 14, leaves 4 as the remainder in each case, right? 4 as a remainder in each case, right? Same, if you just observe, we have to consider the same number na, similar to that of na, similar to that previous only, we have to do it, right? We just consider the LCM of it, 8, 9, 12, 14, right? When divided by these numbers, it leaves the remainder as 4, right? So that is why we have to calculate the LCM of these numbers first, right? First we have to find out that number. So whenever you are doing it LCM, right, directly you can do it with 4 2s, 9 keep it as it is, and 4 3s and 14 you keep it as it is. And after that 2, if you just take it, 2 1s, 9 as it is, 3 as it is, and 7. And if you just take with the 3, this 1 as it is, 3 3s and 3 1s and 3 7s if you just observe, right? So that's 7 as it is. Now what is the LCM of these numbers, you can say? If the LCM is divided, if the LCM divides that particular number, these numbers also will divide automatically. All these numbers will divide automatically, right? That is why we are going for LCM, right? LCM of this 8, 9, 12 and 14, right? What is the LCM? You can see if we just observe here, 4 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 1 into that 7, right? That will be equal to 504, right? 504, right? So whenever you are considering the multiples of this, similar to that previous question, what is that you have to find out? Multiples of which one? This is 504 na? Multiples of this 504, right? If you just observe it, what is it? You can say 504, right? 504 into 1 is equal to that 504. And what is it? 504 into that 2 is equal to which one? This 1008, right? 1008, right? 1008. So here the numbers are in thousand, so we can go with this, right? 1008, right? It is divisible by this 505 exactly. But if you just observe, you can say what is that required number? It should be giving, right? Required number is what? What is the required number? You can say what is the required number? If you just observe, required number is 1008 plus leaves 4 as the remainder na. 1008 is exactly divisible by this any of them, any of them, right? Any of them, and it will be 1008 plus 4. It should give the remainder 4. That is why we are adding that 4, right? 1012. If you just observe, 1012. Is it a multiple of this 11? Just check it. Find the least multiple of this 11, which will be divided by these numbers, giving the remainder as 4. If you just observe, right? Is it a multiple of this 11? If you just say yes, 1012 divided by this 11, if you make it, what is that? 92 it will be given, right? So 1012 is absolutely a multiple of this 11. So multiple of 11 condition satisfied, and divided by any of them gives the remainder 4. Means divided by the LCM of all these numbers, if it is giving the remainder as 4, divided by any of them also will give the remainder 4, right? Like that we have to consider. Now coming to this, right? This is your question number 9, you can say. So what is the question number 9? Here we have to consider, if you just observe, how many factors of this n are multiples of k? how many factors of n are multiples of k? If you just observe, this is n given. What is it? N 12 power 12, 14 power 14, 15 power 15, and k is what? 12 power 10, 14 power 10, and 15 power 10. If you just observe, 15 power 10. If you just observe, right? So before before we enter into this, right? Before we enter into this, if you just wanted to write here one formula, multiples we have to find out, right? What is that we have to find out? If we just observe, multiples, right? Factors we have to find out now. So no, factors we have to find out for a composite number, right? Here first I will be writing this note point, then we'll be going on to the question. Suppose a composite number, whenever you are having a composite number, is equal to that p1 power this lambda 1 into what is it? p2 power this lambda 2 into p3 power this lambda 3 plus so on, that pn power this lambda n, right? What is that? p1, p2, p3, pn, so on, they are your prime numbers, not distinct prime numbers. Distinct means same or different? They must be different. So here composite number is this one, p1, p2, p3. So that number you have to convert it to this format, right? p3 so on are which one? These are your distinct prime numbers. Distinct which one? This is prime numbers. What is that? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, so on we are having. So their respective powers na, their respective indices or this respective powers, if you just observe, right? Now if you are given like this, right? Therefore what is that? A number of factors. What is that? A number of factors you can find out. Number of factors of this composite number, how much it will be? How many number of factors of this composite number we can have? That will be equal to lambda 1 plus 1, right? After converting into prime numbers, right? Lambda 2 plus 1 into lambda 3 plus 1. Then up to which one? Up to lambda n plus 1, right? Total we have to make it, right? This many number of factors will be available for that, if you just observe. Now coming to this, we'll be going on to this solution for this question. You can say, if you are going for the solution of this one, you can say, so how can you write this n? That n is given as your 12 power 12, 14 power 14, and 15 power 15. If you just observe, you can say, right? So how can you rewrite this 12 power 12 prime numbers we have to get it now. So how can you get this prime numbers? 3 into 4 we cannot write, so 3 is okay, but 4 okay. 2 power 2 into 3 whole power how much? 12 into what is that? This is your 7 into 2. 7 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, power 14 into what is that? You can say that is 15. How can you write? 5 into 3 we can write it now, whole power 15, right? These are all the prime numbers you can say, right? So now 2 power 2 into 12 24, 3 power 12 into what is it? 7 power 14 into 2 power 14 into 5 power 15 into that 3 power 15, right? So what is the total comes to be that n value? 2 power 24 plus 14. If you just observe it, what is it? It comes to be 38 into 3 power 12 plus 15, right? What it comes to be? 27 into 5 power how much? 15 only into 7 power how much? That 14 only, right? Like the 7 power 14. And what is that k value given in the question? If you just observe that k is given as 12 power 14 power 15 power 10, 12 power 10 into what is that? 14 power 10 into 15 power 10, right? If you just write it, so 2 power 2 into 3 whole power 10 into what is it? You can say 14, 7 into 2 we can write it now, power 10 into what is it? You can say 15. How can you write it? That you can write it as 5 into 3 whole power 10. If you just observe, right? What it comes to be? 2 power 20, 2 power 20 into that 3 power 10 into 7 power 10 into that 2 power 10 into that 5 power 10 into that 3 power 10, right? Once you simplify this, what that k becomes? 2 power 20 plus 10 30 into 3 power 10 plus 10 plus 10, how much it comes to be? 20 into 5 power how much? 5 power 10 only into 7 power also this 10 only. If you just observe, right, what is that factor of this n? You can say, everyone, what is that factor of this n? If you just observe, that factor of this n will be equal to the multiple of this k na? Yes or no? Multiple, right? Multiple of which one? This k. If you just observe, what is the question given? How many factors of n are multiples of k, right? So which is a multiple of k, and that must be a factor of n, right? Both conditions must be satisfied now. So what is the, you can see if you just observe, first one, if you just write you write this n. How can you write this factor of n? You can write it as that n, you can write it as which one? 2 power 38 into that 3 power 27 into that 5 power 15 into that 7 power 14, right? How can you rewrite this? We just observe 2 power 30 is there for k na? So you just take this 2 power 30 as common, right? 2 power 30 as common, right? 3 power 20 is there na? So 3 power 20 as common, you take it, right? And 5 power 10 is there na for k? 5 power 10 is there, and 7 power 10 is there na? And if you just multiply, what is that? Remaining is how much? 2 power 8 is left na, into, so 3 power 20 is already used, and 7, right? 3 power 7 we have to use, right? And into 5 power how much is used? 10 is used, 5 is there, into what is that? 7 power this 10 is used, and 4 is remaining, right? Like that. So then what is it? You can say, we just observe, that is your k into what is that? K into what is that? 2 power 8 into that 3 power 7 into that 5 power 5 into that 7 power 4. So how many number of factors we are having? How many factors now? So these are the factors, right? How many number of factors? If you just observe using this formula, number of factors will be equal to how much? According to this formula, P1, P2, these are primary numbers. No, so no, this is a multiple, and these are the factors you can say, right? 8 plus 1, right? Lambda 1 plus 1, 8 plus 1 into, what is that? 8 plus 1, right? 7 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. So what it comes to be? That is your 9 into 8 into that 6 into 5, right? This will be the answer, right? This many number of factors of n. This many number of factors of n are the multiples of which one? This k. So this portion is a multiple of k, and how many factors it will be having? This many factors. Okay. Hope the question is answered. So we'll be moving into this last question, you can say, that is question number 10. Simple. The number of factors of this composite number 360, right? How can you write that 360? We can say that 360 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into that 5 you can say. So what it comes to be 2 power 3 into that 3 power 2 into that 5 power 1, right? How many number of factors, tell me? So how many number of factors will be available for this? That is lambda 1 plus 1 power 3 plus 1. So lambda 2 is what? 2. 2 plus 1 into lambda 3 is what? That is p3 power lambda 3 is 1 1 plus 1, right? Total how much it comes to be? 4 into 3 into 2, right? Total what is it? 4 into 3 into 2 is 24. 24 number of factors are available, right? Hope the question is answered, right? These are the questions we are having, right? 10th question, you can say, right? This completes your 10 questions of this one, right? Thank you. So with this it will be completed, and all of you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon, and you'll be getting these PDFs and everything in the community, and like and share the video, and write your comments and write your doubts. I'll be explaining it, right? Thank you.